Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best drone for roof inspections you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Imagine inspecting an entire roof without ever leaving the ground. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, the future is here. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best drones for roof inspections, revolutionizing the way professionals assess rooftops. These drones not only enhance safety but also provide unparalleled efficiency and accuracy. Stick around as we unveil these game-changing tools that could elevate your inspection process to new heights. And hey, if you're new here, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab these incredible drones for yourself. Let's get started. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best drone for roof inspections. Let's begin. On number 5 is DJI Mini 3 Pro. Looking for a drone that combines portability, high-quality imaging, and advanced safety features for roof inspections? The DJI Mini 3 Pro might just be the solution. Weighing less than 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it hassle-free for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Its compact, foldable design ensures easy transport to various inspection sites. Equipped with a 12MP camera featuring a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor and a wide f1.7 aperture, it captures detailed images even in low-light conditions. The drone offers up to 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, ensuring clear and smooth footage for thorough roof assessments. Safety is paramount with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, providing reliable protection during flights. With a maximum flight time of 34 minutes, extended inspections are feasible, and the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus extends this to 47 minutes. Intelligent flight modes like Focus Track and Master Shots enhance creative shooting options, while the True Vertical Shooting feature caters to social media content creation. Incorporating the DJI Mini 3 Pro into your roof inspection workflow can enhance efficiency and safety, making it a valuable tool for both professionals and enthusiasts. On number 4 is DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine is a game-changer for professionals seeking unparalleled aerial imagery. Equipped with a triple camera system, it offers a 20MP wide-angle lens, a 70mm telephoto lens, and a 166mm telephoto lens, providing exceptional versatility for capturing detailed roof inspections. Its 4/3 CMOS sensor ensures superior image quality, even in challenging lighting conditions. With up to 43 minutes of flight time, it allows for comprehensive coverage of extensive roofing areas without frequent recharging. Advanced features like omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0 enhance flight safety, crucial when navigating complex roof structures. However, its higher price point and weight may be considerations for some users. Overall, the Mavic 3 Pro Cine stands out as a top-tier choice for roof inspections, combining cutting-edge technology with reliable performance. On number 3 is DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. Looking to elevate your roof inspections? The DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo is a game-changer. Equipped with dual cameras, it captures stunning 48MP images and 4K HDR videos, ensuring every detail of your roof is visible. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing provides comprehensive protection, even in challenging environments. With a flight time of up to 46 minutes, you can thoroughly inspect roofs without frequent battery changes. Users have praised its stability and wind resistance, making it ideal for various weather conditions. However, it's essential to note that while the Air 3 offers impressive features, drones like the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Cine and DJI Mini 3 Pro are also top contenders for roof inspections, each offering unique advantages. Remember, always fly responsibly and adhere to local regulations when conducting drone inspections. On number 2 is DJI Air 25 Fly. Looking for a drone that combines portability with powerful features for roof inspections? The DJI Air 2S Fly More Combo might just be what you need. Weighing in at under 600 grams, it's easy to transport and maneuver, making it ideal for navigating tight spaces around rooftops. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures sharp 5.4K video at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, ensuring detailed imagery for thorough inspections. Its advanced obstacle avoidance system covers all directions, enhancing safety during complex flight paths. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, you can cover substantial areas without frequent recharging. The Fly More combo offers additional batteries and accessories, providing extended operational capabilities. Priced around $1,329, it's a cost-effective choice for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliable performance in roof inspections. Now moving to the last one is Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3. When it comes to selecting a drone for roof inspections, the Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3 stands out as a top contender. Equipped with a 6K camera featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures detailed imagery essential for thorough roof assessments. Its 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system enhances safety, ensuring the drone navigates around structures without incident. With a flight time of up to 40 minutes, it allows inspectors to cover extensive areas without frequent battery changes. However, it's worth noting that some users have reported a learning curve in handling, particularly with the yaw controls. Additionally, while it offers advanced features, certain functionalities present in previous versions appear to be missing in this iteration. Overall, the EVO 2 Pro V3 is a reliable choice for professionals seeking a drone that combines high-resolution imaging with robust safety features for roof inspections. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best drone for roof inspections. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.